In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily insert rows and columns in Excel. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. As you can see here, I got a table, and basically all we have to do in order to insert a blank column on our Excel document is just right-click at any column. First off, we can select it, and then if we right-click and then select Insert, that will insert blank column to the left of the selected column. In this way, we can also create a column to the left of a column in the same exact way. The same about rows. If we want to create a blank row above the selected row, we can just right-click right here and then click at Insert. That will create blank row above the selected one. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.